Okay guys, I am going to do a review of a facial mask that my dad brought back for me from China. He travels to China a lot, and so he brought this for me. It's called Bird's Nest by Watsons, and I've seen that there's a lot of people who are using this and supposedly like a good quality mask. So we're gonna see how it goes. Now, this thing, with the exception of like the title, is completely in Chinese, in Mandarin, right? And so like here, all I have really for instructions is this little pictogram giving the step-by-step instructions. I'm gonna open it up now and see if there are any English instructions inside. If there's not, then we just winging it. So let's see. We'll see what comes with it. Okay, so it's a kit. Oh, it has more than one, so there's like more than one of them. Oh, that's really great. So you can do this with more than once. It's like a bunch. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes with 5 of them. That's awesome. Okay, so let's just pick them. But let's see, are there any instructions inside? There are some instructions. Let's see. Maybe there's some English ones. And no. No English instructions. Okay. Well, I guess we'll figure it out. Alright, so I'm just gonna have to go by the little pictogram on the box. I'm just gonna have to figure it out. Okay, so I'm sure it's like wash your face and then use the little injector. So let's see how it goes. I have the little injector thing, and I think you have to take this off and then we'll put it all over the face. Take this off. Okay, and we're going to put it on the face. That's under. Okay. 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 Cheek area, both eyes. It doesn't have any odor or smell, honestly. It actually kind of feels like I'm putting vitamin E cream, actually, or like a liquid oil of Olay on my face. Like, it has very little odor. It just kind of feels just like I'm putting moisturizer on my face. Right? It's like really goopy. It's really goopy. And I'm being careful because I feel like I'm gonna tear a bit apart. I'm not careful. Okay. Here we go. It's 2 parts. I think I put this part on. This is the one. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's worth noting that this is the first time in my life I've ever done one of these masks. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. 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 Hello, Clarice. I don't know. Okay. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And I literally don't know how long I'm supposed to leave this on my face. So we're just gonna start. Like, let's just start like first 15 minutes. Okay, so update. I've had the mask on for about 10 minutes now. I managed to find a great translation. I managed to use an app called Scan and Trans something, and I was able to like take a picture of the instructions. And basically what it says is that okay, so step 1 is take the injection thingy, which I did right. You take the injector, you cleanse your face, which I did first, and then you take the little injector thingy and then evenly smear it around your face. And then you take the mask out, and it says make sure that you put it on your face within 20 minutes of opening up the packet, and then you leave it on. The thing is it does not tell you how long you leave this on your face. Unless it means, the translation, 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, update. So I've watched a few YouTube videos on products from the same company that are similar. So apparently, and they keep saying, oh, it's drying, it's drying, it's drying. I'm like, mine is not drying. Well, I just realized why. Okay, so basically this is 2 layers. And one of the layers peels off. So I'm going to basically take the outer layer, the spongy part is what peels off. So we're going to try this again. I may have to pull the whole thing off actually. Let's just see. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Okay, that sounds like, okay. Here we go. Yeah, okay, that seemed right. Alright, now we're going to smooth this out. Okay, there we go. Yeah, just a little bit. Okay. Okay. All the videos that I've seen says that you leave it on for like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna say like this is starting point 1. Okay, this is starting point 1. Alright, so all the videos say that this is that you should leave it on for like 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on like as if like I'm not gonna count what I was doing before. I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 to 21 minutes. I'm gonna start a timer and then there we go. Okay, checking in. I still have 6 minutes left on this thing. And my dad was like really awesome and he brought me 2 boxes, all right? And I thought when I saw them that they were the same thing, just different colors. And then my husband came in and he was looking at the different boxes and he was like, no, there is something different. There's something. And I'm like, no, there's nothing. And then I looked at the title. There is a 1-word difference on the box. So the one that I'm doing is smoothing. So this is for making your skin smoother. I guess when you apply your makeup, it'll go on smoother and look more natural. The other box I have here is for hydrating. So this is the difference. So this week I'm just gonna try the smoothing mask and see how it goes, and then next week I will do the hydrating mask, and it'll be great, especially since we're coming into the winter months. It will be really good because my skin gets really, really, really dry in the winter. Okay, I have 6 minutes left. Check back in when I've finished, and then I'll actually put on my makeup with you. Okay, my 20 minutes are up, and we're gonna peel it off. Okay. Now, no, it did not dry. The mask did not dry, and I'm not sure if it's supposed to. But all the videos and instructions and everything are saying, you know, that like you leave it on for 20 minutes. So. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face. The results that my skin, it feels this is a smoothing mask, but in the injection it says collagen mask, so that means obviously it's plumping up your face a little bit. And I mean, I don't feel like a huge difference, but I do definitely feel like my face is a little tighter. Maybe even I might want to use the word numb. Maybe not really numb, but it's good. My skin feels hydrated, you know, it doesn't feel dry at all. I feel like I need though to put some moisturizer on it. Just to kind of hydrate my face. And let that kind of soak in. Okay, so in the end, like, this is the kind of the final thing. My skin does feel kind of very, very hydrated, even though it's not the hydrating mask, it's the smoothing mask. My skin does feel very, very smooth. But I think the overall purpose of this mask really isn't so much smoothing or hydrating as it is the collagen, because it does say on the serum, it does say collagen serum. So I think it's very good for kind of just tightening the skin. And I'm going to put my makeup on in a little bit and I'll show you the final result after I put my makeup on. I won't do like a full tutorial or anything like that, but
Hey guys, okay, so actually it's been ages since I filmed that footage from the Burst and Smoothing facial, and I'm finally coming back after a really long time and uploading it with some very honest thoughts about it. I didn't find that there was anything particularly special about the facial other than the collagen, which after having done the mask a few more times now, honestly, it just kind of makes you feel numb, tingly, made me feel uncomfortable having the mask on. And I just don't think that there was anything particularly special about the mask. If you would like to try it out, okay, go for it. But I just do not think that there is anything particularly great about it. And if you're needing like things like this or whatnot to be filled in, then it's might as well just go ahead and get the fillers. You know, this is not going to do any miracle working. It's not some sort of a really awesome product. It's just something that maybe would plump you up for just a little bit, and and just make you feel a little numb and tingly. So it definitely is not worth it. Thanks guys for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.